If you're looking at engineering colleges for the 2026 admissions, finding a place with a clear purpose and solid quality is obviously key. So today, let's take a closer look at Pandian Saraswathi Yadav Engineering College in Sivagangai. You'll know it by its TNEA Code, which is 5912. Let's find out what this college is all about. Right from the very start, this college has had a really powerful mission. This quote from the founder, Malaysia S. Pandian, says it all. It's not just words on a wall. It's the core idea that still drives the college today, to give students from rural areas a strong technical education, and by doing that, help the whole country grow. Now, a big question for any college is, how good is it officially? Well, here's a major stamp of approval. The college has earned an A grade from the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. You know, NAC. And get this isn't some old achievement they're hanging on to. This A grade was awarded just recently, in 2024. That tells you a lot about their current standards and their commitment to quality right now. Okay, so what's the real story behind this place? Let's dig a little deeper into its identity and the mission that got it all started. So the college was established way back in 2000, which means it's been around for nearly a quarter of a century. It's a private, self-financing college for both boys and girls. And like most engineering colleges in the state, it's affiliated to Anna University, Chennai, and of course, it's approved by the AICTE. The campus itself is pretty big, spreading over more than 60 acres. The college was founded by a man with a vision, an NRI entrepreneur named Malaysia S. Pandian. He was even a recipient of the prestigious Hind Ratan Award, which means Jewel of India. His goal was very specific: to bring top-notch engineering education to his home region, focusing on students from Sivagangai, Ramanathapuram, and the southern parts of Madurai. And even today, the founding family continues to govern the college, making sure that original vision stays alive. All right, so we know the backstory. Now let's see how that translates into what you can actually study there and the official approvals they have. When it comes to quality checks, they have all the important boxes ticked. It's approved by the AICTE, which is the main body for technical education in India. It's affiliated to Anna University, which sets the curriculum. And as we just saw, it's got that A grade from NAC. On top of that, it's also ISO 9001-2008 certified, which is another nod to its quality management systems. So, for the upcoming 2026 admissions, the college offers 9 different engineering programs with a total of 360 seats up for grabs. As you might expect, computer science is the biggest department with 90 seats, followed by ECE with 60. Then you'll have core branches like electrical, mechanical, and civil, plus a number of new age specializations, all with 30 seats each. You can see the whole list right there. And this is really important. The college is clearly keeping up with what the industry wants. Since 2022, they've launched 4 brand new B.Tech programs: AI and data science, IT, AI and machine learning, and cybersecurity. This is a huge plus because it means they're focused on giving students skills that are in very high demand right now. Now let's get to what's probably the most important question for every student and parent. What about jobs? What are the career prospects? Let's dive into the placements. The college has declared a placement rate of 90%. That's a pretty strong number, and it suggests a real focus on making sure students find good employment opportunities by the time they graduate. And just so you know where we got that figure, it's the placement percentage that's officially published in the TNEA 2026 brochure. So it's a key piece of data for anyone considering admissions. So, who's actually hiring from this campus? Well, the list includes some of the biggest names you can think of. You've got the IT giants like Wipro, TCS, Cognizant, and Infosys. But it's not just IT. There are also major core companies like L&T, Honeywell, Reliance, and Godrej. Having such a wide range of recruiters is great because it opens up different kinds of career paths for students from all branches. All right, academics and placements look solid. But what's it actually like to be a student there day to day? Let's take a look at the campus, the hostel, and the transport facilities. The campus is located in a rural setting right on the Madurai-Sivagangai highway, and it's spread across a massive 60-plus acres. This means you get a really peaceful, clean environment, perfect for focusing on your studies, without the distractions of a busy city. For students who need a place to stay, the college has got you covered. There are separate, permanent hostels on campus for both boys and girls, and the food situation is well taken care of too, with mess facilities that serve both vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. Getting to and from the college seems pretty straightforward. They have their own fleet of buses that cover major nearby cities like Madurai, Sivagangai, and Ramanathapuram, plus all the smaller towns around them. And since it's right on the state highway, access is quite easy. If you're taking the train, the nearest railway station is Sivagangai, which is about 16 kilometers away. Okay, let's wrap this up. What are the key things you really need to remember about this college? Let's summarize the big highlights and also touch upon the financial aid options available. So, if you're making a quick mental checklist, here are the main takeaways. That fresh NAAC A grade from 2024 is a big one. The Founders Hind Ratan Award speaks to the college's heritage. It's been around for almost 25 years, showing stability. And it's looking to the future by adding 4 new tech programs just in the last couple of years. Now, about the money side of things, students here can apply for a whole range of government scholarships. This includes all the post-matric scholarships from the Tamil Nadu government for different communities. You also have access to central government schemes and specific AICTE scholarships like the Pragati scheme for girls students and the Saksham scheme for differently abled students. This can make a huge difference in making education more affordable. As always, we want to be clear that all the information we've discussed is based on the college's official website and government portals at the time we prepared this. It's always a good idea to double-check everything directly with the college before you make a final decision. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.